Well, hello and welcome back to No Obstacle. Today, something a little different. As I say, I just picking up a knife. That's a totally normal thing to do because it's actually a letter opener. And today, yeah, doing something totally different. You know, I love the outdoors, I love adventure, exploration, travel, all that kind of thing. But what you may have seen one or two bits of is that I actually really love gaming as well, and I am about 50 hours into Tales of Zestiria right now, and I actually also really love retro gaming, and I went to a retro gaming fair with my friend in November. It was really fun, although it got crowded quite quickly. Anyway, the point of this is that I have like this giant box of, which I've already taken my postal address off of for obvious reasons, giant box of stuff sent by my sister's fiance, which I'm about to carve my way into. So yes, this is essentially a sort of retro game unboxing. In fact, I feel like if I spam that onto the algorithm, I might get somewhere. Anyway, so that I stop waving this knife menacingly at the camera, let's see what happens if I use it to open the box. I'm really not good at opening boxes. Wow, this is going to be an endeavour. Wait a minute, wait a minute. We have to think about this logically. Not. I've also got the bluntest letter opener in the world. Oh my god. Okay. I feel like... Brilliant, dignified times. So we've got into one side of it. There is clearly a middle that we can explore. Okay, alright, we're getting there, we're getting there. I actually have a much sharper actual travel knife for this, but I don't really trust myself to use it. Otherwise I'll just carve my way through all of the retro games. You know, maybe it's just a massive box of paper now. Okay, what's in here? There's a lot of bubble wrap going on. And first game. I don't ever remember playing this or seeing this. Corruption. Let me know if that's something that you remember. One of the old tips and tricks things from the old magazines, along with an Atari journal. In Spectrum journal. This bag is quite exciting, but I don't really have the patience to wait. So let's see what's in here. Oh mate. It's the fucking old Sega Mega Drive. Without the candle wax that we inordinated it with. That's not the right word, but you know what I mean. There used to be a bunch of candles. What the fuck is this? Quack shot. No, oh my god, this is awesome. And it's got the controllers. Yeah, oh, it's got like an off-brand controller as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, alright, so we got that. And then what else? These are mental. Like, what are all these? I'm hoping that I'll find one that I like really remember and get really into. Trivial Pursuit, the computer game. Fairlight. This is Atari and Spectrum, and there's a Mega Drive over there. So, Survival. You never know. Maybe computer Scrabble. Definitely useful. Definitely useful. Knight's Law. No, I don't remember any of these so far. What the fuck? This game's just called Jet Set Willy. Help. I don't know what that means. And what is Sherlock? Oh gosh. There's like more notepads in here. Are they like tips or... Manic Miner? Okay, alright, we're getting there. And... Fucking hell! The old Steve Livingston game, The Warlock of Firetop Mountain, the game. How cool is that? Okay, okay. And then the actual frickin' Spectrum. I don't even have a TV, so let's see how we're going to set that up. Okay, So it's the Spectrum, along with, literally, along with the manuals for the Spectrum. And then just like another Spectrum. This one's pretty damaged. ZX Spectrum. And this is a Spectrum Sinclair. Okay, so there's two. But I realise everything hasn't made its way on screen, but some of it is a narrative-based entertainment. So that's what I've got. Those are the treasures that have come in the box of games. I have to say, I'm hoping that there will be more Mega Drive games. If you've ever played Eternal Champion, that is a fucking classic. Or like some of the older, I think, Spectrum games, like Game of the Gods. And there used to be like a really cool educational one where you had to like build your way up a pyramid by like answering questions, which is not entertaining to anyone except for if it's what you did in your childhood, basically. So yeah, I am highly entertained and happy with these. Thank you so much to the person that took the time to bundle them all up and send them to me. Apparently I'm getting more. It's very exciting. I'm gonna like look into how to set all this up, how to actually play the games on the fucking original consoles. It's gonna be very cool. But for now, it's all being packed back up. Probably actually in a better setup than this carved apart box. And yeah, thanks for watching. Completely off topic. If you follow me for adventure, you're probably wondering what the fuck is happening. If you follow me because you know me, you'd be more like more used to this type of complete gaming rant. And now, since I don't have time to set this up right now, I'm going back to play Tales of Zestiria. It's not like I have to get up 6:45 tomorrow. No, be totally fine. All right, have fun.